Hey, welcome back to Chef Pup's Kitchen. All right, what we're gonna be making today, we're gonna be making some fried chicken. But I am gonna be seasoning my fried chicken with a dusting of Slap Your Mama first. Then I had picked this up at Walmart. It's called Louisiana chicken batter mix. I never used this before, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna tell you if it's good or not. So without further ado, let's get this video started and let me get y'all guys a closer look so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So stay with me. All right, so I'm gonna give a little bit of dusting here, not a lot, because this is a very potent seasoning, but it's really good. Slap your mama. If you've never tried it before, you should try this seasoning. All right, just a little bit of dusting. All right, just a tad. All right, so that's enough dusting. So what I'm gonna do is just get in here and just mix it up here. That's all I'm going to do. And right now I got my deep fryer going. Or you can do this in a skillet, either or. Doesn't make a difference. All right. So what I'm gonna let these do, I'm gonna let these hang around for a little bit until I'm ready for them. But we're gonna start getting the batter started. So let me get my hands washed, and I'll be back. Y'all guys don't go nowhere because it's gonna be some good eats. All right, what I have here, I have a cup of that Louisiana chicken fry. I'm using 1 cup, but the directions tells me to add a half a cup and 5 tablespoons of water. So I added 1 cup and a half a cup of water. All right, and this is all that's supposed to be to this here. And you just give it a mix. Oh yeah, it's sticking enough here. All right. So we're gonna see how this is gonna work out here. I've never used this before, but it does taste pretty good. That's why I only put a little bit of the Slap Your Mama on. All right. So the instruction says, dip the chicken in, press it in, into the fryer. 3 steps, that is it. Easy peasy. All right. So let's get this out of the way. All right. So let me get my chicken back over here, and y'all guys, I'll be right back. All right, and like I said, the instruction says, take your chicken, press down on it, get it coated. Make sure you get as much excess off as you can. All right. All right. There goes the first piece going in, a flat. And I'm going to do a drum. Knock off some of that excess. Let it drip off a little bit. That's it, and here we go. All right, so let me give you an idea the way this is gonna go down. All right, so got the chicken in. She's up to temp, and there she goes. All right, let her fly up. But I always like to do this when you're frying chicken. When you start frying it, release it. There you go. She's been released from the bottom of the basket. All right, and let her continue to fry. All right, I'll be back when these chicken wings are done. So y'all guys stay with me because I'll be right back. All right, all the chicken is done. I did cook 30 pieces, 30 drums and 30 wingettes. All right, but I had to make a second batch of the batter. So what I did use, I used basically altogether, I used 2 cups of the Louisiana chicken fry and a half a cup of water. No, excuse me, 1 cup of water to make the batter. All right, because it wasn't enough for what the ingredients he was telling me for 30 wings. But without further ado, let's give you a closer look of it. Give you a closer look. All right. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, that crunchy piece just ran away. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say, if you want to try this mix here, I got this from Walmart. All right, this is really, really good. Simple, and delicious chicken. But like I also said, I did put a little dusting of Slap Your Mama on the chicken and let it sit for a little bit, maybe about a half an hour at least. All right, so let's get into this chicken. All right, I want me a wingette, one that's not too hot. Oh, that crunch. Oh yeah, this is damn good. I don't think I want to share this with anybody. Oh my God. Gone. Oh my God. I cooked them to 165 degrees perfectly. And they are crunchy. I'm gonna say these are better than Kentucky Fried Chicken. So good, so good. But anyway, if you like this recipe, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. Tell your friends and family about Cooking with Chef Pup, because guaranteed, the recipes that I tell you, they are the simplest ones in the world. All right, that everybody can enjoy really, really good food. Okay, so without further ado, y'all guys have a wonderful day. Tell your friends and family about Cooking with Chef Pup, and I will see y'all guys on the next video. Bye.